Hi friends, welcome to Rianza Bakes. Today it is a soft and delicious bun recipe. This is made using 50% whole wheat flour and 50% all-purpose flour, and also we have incorporated pumpkin puree in this delicious bread. So let us see how to make this bread. If you like the video, please don't forget to press the like button and leave your suggestions and feedback. First we'll steam and blend 200 grams of pumpkin. Into a bowl we'll add 150 ml of lukewarm milk, 1 teaspoon of instant yeast, 4 tablespoons of sugar. Mix it. Add the pumpkin puree. You can either steam the pumpkin or cook it in microwave. Now we'll just mix it and then add the flour. Here I have taken 200 grams all-purpose flour and 200 grams whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well to form a dough. And then we'll knead this using the kneading hook. If you want, you can knead it by hands. Use the kneading hook for about 4 to 5 minutes. And then we'll add 3 tablespoons of butter, unsalted butter, and again knead it till the butter is properly mixed into the dough and the dough becomes soft and elastic. Now the dough is properly kneaded. Using our hands, we'll make it into a nice ball and allow it to rest till it doubles in size. Cover using a cling film and allow it to rest. The dough has risen well. Now we'll degas the dough and give it a short knead. Transfer the dough onto a lightly floured surface and we'll cut it into 8 equal portions. Now we'll shape this into balls, tight balls. Fold it like this towards the inside and then smoothen it like this in our palms. So we'll make 8 balls and cover it with a cling wrap so that it doesn't dry out. Take one ball, flatten it like this using our palm, and then we'll divide this into 3 equal portions. Roll each portion into tight balls and keep it in a well-greased muffin tin. Now all the 8 buns are ready. We'll allow it to rest for about 15 minutes till it doubles in size, and then we'll brush with milk and bake it at 200 degrees Celsius 15 to 20 minutes till it turns golden brown in color. Now our pumpkin buns are beautifully baked. Brush it with some melted butter. Please do try the recipe. It's a delicious bread. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.